Hi friends and students, welcome to Maths World Classes. I am your Chaudhary sir. So today we discussing about very interesting concept here, that is pair of linear equation in two variable. So last today we discussing about uh, types of lines. So what are the solutions are there? So it is consistent or inconsistent. So what are the ratios we discuss in last class. So today we discuss about 3.2 exercise. It is all equation. This exercise is all depends on there are three lines. So which type of question comes in examination we discuss. If you want to understand types of line, you have to watch my videos. I will give in description box, and also share my channel, subscribe it, and share your friend circles. Okay. So also some links can be given in I icon, that is the right side of your device. So you have to that you have to click it. You also got the other videos links. So shall we discuss here 3.2 exercise. So see the first question. First question he said that solve this following equation graphically. So this equation I will solve in next videos because it taking the graphs. That's why. So use that time graph. That's why I will show in other type of videos. So how we draw the graphs here. Okay. So first question is I will solve in graph. So we're going to direct second question. If you see that on the comparing ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, find out whether the lines representing following pair of linear equation intersect at point parallel coincident. What he say that? So you have to compare the ratios and find the which type of line. These are the which type of line intersecting, parallel, or coincident. So how you solve this one? So see here. So I have take the first example, that is 5x minus how much 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second is 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So I already told you first equation give the three values always. A1 that is 5, B1 minus 4, C1 8. So this is A1, A2, sorry B1, C1. So first equation always give the three values A1, B1, C1, and second equation give A2, B2, C2. So the A2 is how much? 7, B2 6, C2 minus 9. So we have to compare the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. So A1 is how much? 5 by 7. B1 is minus 4 by 6. And B1 is minus 4, B2 is 6. C1 8. C2 is minus 9. So 5 by 7 as it is. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So how much? Minus 2 by 3. So 8 by minus 9. First you have to compare first and second ratio. So then going to third ratio. So if you see that first ratio and second ratio is not equal. First you have to check first or second is equal or not. If it is equal, then continue next. Third, you have to go into third ratios. It is not equal, you have to stop here. So 5 by 7 not equal to minus 2 by 3. Means what? A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. So I already told you first ratio if second ratio is not equal, then what we conclude that these are which type of lines? Intersecting lines. So you have to remember it. Ratios. Intersecting line ratio is first ratio and second ratio not equal. So we are moving to second question. So what is that? 9x 3y 12. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. And second is 18x 6y 24. 18x 6y plus 24 equal to 0. See how we will solve this one. So a1 is, take a1 9, a2 18, b1 3, b2 6, c1 12, c2 24. So what you take, how to compare the ratios here? a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. So a1 is how much? 9 by 18, 3 by 6, b1 upon b2, c1 by c2, 12 by 24. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So we got answer 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are is equal to 1 by 2. 12 ones are 12 twos are. It also 1 by 2. You see that, see here, all ratios are equal. Means what? Here I will write here a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Means all ratios are here equal. If all ratios are equal, what we conclusion here? These are what? Coincident line. So very simple questions are there. First you have to remember the what are the ratios of all three lines. It's very important. If you remember the ratios, so you easily solve the example. Okay. So third way I will give the homework. So you have to tell me the answer in comment box. Okay. So third I will give this question. So you have to solve. If any query, any questions, you may ask me in comment box. Okay. So going to third question. On comparing ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So he can ask one question here. Consistent or inconsistent, we have to check here. So how we solve this one? So see. So first example is we taken here 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So second, see the second equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So first, before we solve this one example, first it is in linear equation or not, we have to check here. So remember here 5 comes this side, right side, 7 also right side. So we are taking 5 this side. First we change the equation, because why we taking here? Because we have to find we taking the value c1 and c2. That's why here is this equation also pair of linear equation, but we taking ratios. Sometime what happen, if we taking 5 this side, so it show minus, 7 also it show minus. So that's why, so all numbers you have to taking left side. When we have to do this one, when we have to find this type of lines, or it consistent or inconsistent. So that time what we do with these numbers, where is the right side is there, numbers are there, we taking left side and we is equal to give the 0. 3x 2y plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and second is 2x minus 3y plus 7 this side, minus 7 is equal to 0. Then you have to take the values, a1 upon a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 is how much? 3, a2 is 2, b1 is how much? 2, b2 minus 3, c1 minus 5, c2 minus 7. So 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by minus 3. If you see that, So minus minus plus 5 by 7. See the first you have to compare first and second ratio. If it is equal, then going to third ratio. Remember it. So 3 by 2 equal to what? 2 by minus 3. So these both values are not equal. Means here a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Means first and ratio, second ratios are not equal. Means these are which type of lines? Intersecting lines. So intersecting lines always what? Consistent. So answer is what? Consistent. Okay. So moving to second question. Second question is very easy. You have to easily solve this one. Second one. So I will take third one. Okay. 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y is equal to 7. 3 by 2 x 5 by next is how much? 5 by 3 y is equal to 7. So next question, 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. 9x minus 9x, sorry, I will write here 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Okay, so see. So first we taking the all these side values, then you have to taking this side. 3 by 2 x 5 by 3 y plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, second is 9x minus 10y plus 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So a1 is how much? Tell me. 3 by 2. A2 how much? 9. b1 5 by 3. b2 minus 10. c1 is minus 7. c2 minus 14. Okay, then so we compare the ratios here. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 means 3 by 2, a2 is 9, 5 by 3 by minus 10, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 minus 7 by minus 14. So 9 taking this side, 3 by 9 2 is 18, 5 by 10 comes this side, 10 3 is minus 30, minus minus plus 7 by 14, 3 1s 3 6 5 1s 5 6 7 1s 7 2s. So 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. If you see here, both numbers are same, but one is plus, one is minus. That's why the both are not equal. Remember it. Sometime what happen? Students are believe that 1 by 6 are same. So first and second is equal. No. So you have to see a sign here. So it show negative and both are unequal. So therefore a1 upon a2 first ratio and second ratio is not equal, means these are intersecting lines, means it show consistent. Okay, so this type of you have to solve, find the which is the consistent or inconsistent. Very simple is there. First only what is the major thing, what we do here, what is the major point here, we have to keep remember all three lines ratios. The compulsory can ask one questions come from that table. Already last class what we told you table, that is very important. Okay, so next part we continue in next video. So any questions are there, tell me in comment box, I will solve.